The most important thing, if you don't know how to do it, ask about it.
Anyone starting new, first up, don't hesitate to ask questions. And then the other one is just jump in, don't be hesitant, don't be shy.
Try and take the advice people give you and don't be afraid to ask questions.
Work hard, be on time.
The one thing I can say is don't be afraid to ask for help, because if you ask for help, they are going to go out of their way to try to train you.
Look at the prints and listen to what you're told.
Work hard. Come in with a good attitude. Try not to have a bad attitude. Don't give up. It's a lot to learn at first, especially if you're not from, this kind of manufacturing background. Some people already know that I have the privilege of performing as Batman